Hello students, today we are going to take up the topic how to prepare alcohols from Grignard reagent. The formula for Grignard reagent is alkyl magnesium halide RMgX. Okay, now Grignard reagent when combines with aldehyde or it combines with ketones, then in both the cases the common group is carbonyl group. This carbonyl group has C double bond O where the first bond is sigma bond and the second bond is pi bond. Now always remember children, whenever there is a reagent, then the pi bond undergoes electromeric shift. So it's a temporary shift. So this under electromeric shift, this pi bond will shift towards the more negative group, right, or the element attached. Now look here, between carbon and oxygen is more electronegative, so this pi bond will shift towards oxygen and there will be a complete negative charge formed on oxygen and positive charge will be developed on carbon. Right. Now when we look upon the Grignard reagent, in Grignard reagent magnesium is positive with a sigma bond between carbon of alkyl group, right? And here in magnesium and halide there is electrovalent. Okay, very interesting, isn't it? Now here what happens, this bond actually shifts. So since carbon is more electronegative, the sigma bond shifts towards carbon. With the result, magnesium gets a polar positive charge, partial positive charge, and carbon gets a partial negative charge. So when there is addition reaction, because there is a double bond, so under influence of electromeric shift, the negative part, right, will move towards the carbon because it is having a complete positive charge, whereas the partial positive charge group, that is magnesium halide, will move towards the oxygen. So the product will be COMgX and on carbon there will be R. So this is the first step. First step is addition step, right? Then comes the second step. Second step is adding water or breaking with help of water. We also call this as hydrolysis step. Now under this step what will happen? This bond between oxygen and magnesium halide, okay, H will come this side and OH will come on the side of magnesium. So the product will be carbon ROH. Look here, this is what alcohol, and you have magnesium hydroxy halide, right? Now let's see. Okay, so if I take reaction, suppose HCH double bond O. What is this? This is formaldehyde or methanol, right? Now when methanol reacts with suppose CH3MgBr. So what will happen? First step is addition step, right? There will be electromeric shift. Oxygen will get a negative charge. Carbon will get a positive charge. There is inductive effect. Here the sigma bond shifts towards carbon. So this methyl group will get a partial negative charge and magnesium bromide will get a partial positive charge. With the result, this being negative will move towards carbon. Magnesium bromide will move towards oxygen. So the product will be HC single bond O. Here H as such, and over here this is CH3 group, and on oxygen you will have magnesium group. Okay, so this is the first step. Second step, you break it with the help of water. So we add water. On adding water, HOH, the product will be HCHCH3OH plus Mg. Here there is bromide and OH. So we call this as magnesium hydroxybromide. And look here, this is CH3, CH2OH. So we get primary alcohol. So that means if you have taken formaldehyde or methanol, the product is primary alcohol. Now see the magic. all I do is I'm just changing the color. Okay, and the second type of reaction, if I take any aldehyde, right, any aldehyde other than formaldehyde. So this is right. Now in place of this HCH3, and tell me what is the product. Now this is your secondary aldehyde. Okay. Now let's take third one. If I take ketone, okay. So ketone means RCOR, so I make CH3. Now there are two methyl groups and one methyl from Grignard reagent. Okay, so the product is tertiary. Isn't it interesting? Yes, one single reaction and you have got variety of products. Okay, enjoy. Happy learning. Thank you.